Everyone loves super hydrated, relaxed hair. Yes.
Our client today came in with dehydrated hair. It was dry and crispy.
We had a brief discussion, what you call consultation, and then she said her scalp was itching so badly, and we opted for the scalp and the detox and balance treatment. Now this treatment helps with resetting the scalp, and then it stops itching, takes up any form of build-up, and then creates this clean environment for the follicles to actually thrive. Okay, there's so much to our detox and balance service that we can't start calling out in detail. Okay, now this session lasted for this particular one lasted for I think 30 minutes or so, because we had to apply it on the scalp and then massage it in, and then wait for the scalp the treatment to be absorbed into the scalp, just probably to do its work. And then we headed over to the shampoo bowl to wash. But first off, we already rinsed out the detox treatment, and then we're going in with the Kuswala brand shampoo brand, and this actually helps to purify the hair, hydrate the hair, repair the hair as well. And I ensure that I wash this for 2 to 3 times and see how it lathers so well, and it has my heart. This is the conditioner. It does the same thing. I love that this conditioner actually helps to put back that hydration in the hair, and you can see that I'm focusing on just the hair. I'm not focusing on the scalp. Okay, conditioners are for hair, and I realize that some people, when they condition their scalp, they start to feel this itchy sensation afterwards. But this is me massaging the conditioner in the hair. You can see that the hair absorbs everything properly. It's absorb everything properly. And yeah, I'm going back into detangle, ensuring that it does the job. Can you see what the hair looks like? And then afterwards, I rinse it out. Okay, I'm taking my time to rinse properly, and afterwards we're going in with the deep treatment. Okay, now this will help to even pull back more moisture in the hair, because we're going to actually steam the hair. So you can see that I like to work in sections, and that's what I'm doing with this deep treatment. Next, I'm going to steam her hair, and I don't like to put the cap or plastic cap over their hair, because I want the steam to be getting to every hair strand and then do its job. Next, we blow dried, and then I'm going in with the moisturizer. Can you see the difference? Can you see? I'm also working in the Kuswala moisturizing product on her hair. Afterwards, I go in with the argan oil to seal it up, and you can tell the difference. You can see what her hair looks like. It looks more hydrated. I don't feel that dry stuff on the hair and all of that. You can see there's so much elasticity to the hair as well. Now look at what the hair was like, and look at what it is like after washing, after doing the treatment. So afterwards, I'm going to trim her hair, because she wanted a haircut. Actually, this is a haircut, not a trim. I'm cutting all the split ends to make sure her hair is back in shape, okay, so that her hair can actually thrive. So afterwards, we finish off with a cornrow, neat cornrows. You can see what it looks like. We also went further to send her home care routine on how she'll be able to take care of her hair, recommended products as well, so that her hair can thrive. Thank you for watching. Bye.